Hey everybody, it's been a minute since we've been on here like this on Outfit's Garage. We are out in the outfit and this heat, let me tell you, it's an outfit. I'm going to show you a picture right here of the temperature. Yeah, I guess you can see that. Yeah, it's 110 in the shop today. That was before this evening when it really got hot. I got off work a little early today and got home, and we got the car in the shop, and it was just so hot out here we couldn't do anything about it. But here it is. It's about 9 o'clock or a little after night. Sun's already went down. It's not as bad. It's like in the high 80s right now, but it's still pretty hot. We got fans going. That's one reason why I'm standing outside. But let me show you what we got going. We have got the car in the shop, the back end up in the air, lights on underneath the car. What we got going, Matthew?
Gear going in.
Got a gear going in. We're going to try just a little bit different. Try to make it a little bit easier on the car. Matthew told me a while back, he said, I think we need to go to a higher gear. He said, we're screaming this motor. I said, I think we're good. Then I listened to it at practice night the other night, and I said, yeah, I think we might need to go up on a gear just a little bit. So we're going up a tick on gears, one notch, and I think we'll be okay here. We was probably turning this little old motor, I don't know, 7,000 or better, and that's a little bit much for a stock crank, stock rod motor. So we've got good rod bolts, but it's just got old cast flat top rebuilder pistons in it, and nothing special about the pistons, but it's not even real good pistons. They're just flat tops, but just stock rods. And I got a little scared. We've got a few more nights to go before the end of the season. We don't want to lose this motor before the end of the season, so we're going to try to go just one tick higher on gears, see if we can't save it. And we got the gears out of it. We're fixing to go back. We made a little bit of oil spill right there, but hey, when you're changing gears, you can't catch all that gear oil. I don't care what you do. But we fixing to slide back under here and see if we can't stab these gears in and jab it in there. Let me get under the car. All right, that's about as good as I'm going to get it on the camera angle. It's under the car, but we're about ready to slide this gear back in. I might have to come off this creeper to do this. I ain't never been real successful on creeper stabbing gears, but we'll see. All right, that gear is upside down from where I'm needing it, but we'll see what we can do. See if y'all can palm a gear like that and put it in one. Any of y'all man enough to do that? All right, we have got a nut on it. It ain't coming out, so we're good. What did I do with that impact wrench? It's laying right there. I'm gonna pull this thing up so that it's not flopping. We're in. You can slide them axles in anytime you get ready. You'll have to kind of rear it up. Just don't pull it out. Got it?
Pushed a little too far. I don't know.
Is it fell in?
I don't think it would have because it never.
Okay, just a second. I'll push this other axle. Or you can push this other axle in, and that should push that one back out.
Well, I mean, the axle's on. I just didn't know if it pushed. It shouldn't have pushed the seal.
No, it won't do that.
I didn't think so.
No. Just push that axle in. That left one, I had a washer on the outside to fill the gap. Okay. That was kind of hard to get in, so yeah, you may have to work on that a minute. Some of y'all guys watching needs to go back and watch the video where I changed gears out and I had brag warning on the front of it. That was simply because I was explaining how many gears I've changed over the years. Back when modifieds ran 9-inch rear ends, I helped Wayne Brooks. We traveled together for years, and when he needs a set of gears changed, you got to jump under it and get it done. And you can't play around, you can't goof off, none of that. And you got to get it done because that's the way you make your living. It's the way he makes his living. So if you don't perform, they'll replace you and put somebody else in your spot. You'll be looking for a job. So needless to say, I learned how to put a set of gears in pretty quick. So you got them in. You go ahead and put your caps on. Got another cap here somewhere, or another U-boat. I can't find it. Where'd it go? Oh, wait, right here. This is not the wrench I like to use. It's a kind of a fat 1/2 inch wrench, and I can only get just a little bit. I usually like using a little Craftsman, and they're real tiny on this end right here, and you can really run these jokers in fast. Slide that board out. I think I just moved the camera. Let me get over and move that back. You can see where it's at. You see that other U-boat? Huh?
I think you left it here.
Oh, that's where it's at. That's still not too bad for an old man to be able to change third member that quick. Impact wrenches help. I believe if we had our stuff ready and better wrenches, I believe we could get this knocked out about as fast as we used to. If you on that outside mend here. Me and Wayne could swap a gear out in a car and have it back on the ground with grease in it, oil in it, in less than 10 minutes. That's pretty quick. These floaters sure make it nice. Click, 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 them's torqued. Okay, now, right here, torque this. Right. There it is. Axles in, caps on. All we got to do is add some gear oil. Okay. Now, well, I don't want to show everybody all where we got our weight at, but right there, you can't hardly see it, there's a plug on top of that rear end we've got to pull out. Once we get that plug pulled out, then we can add our gear oil. That's what we're fixing to do, and we'll be right back with you here in just a minute. We're done.